Peter de Toy. Yeah, this is the Extreme Festival. It's a festival of motorsport, but it's not everybody that will compete here today because there is an extreme, it's the nationals, it's where the money comes, where the big sponsors come. Toyota, Volkswagen, and you can see the Invest Camp. I can't carry on, but the number of big sponsors that are here. Now, there are two categories of motorsport. The one is those that just want to participate. They buy cars, they race cars, they got skills, and they achieve good things. But the other category is the aspiration side of motorsport, and that's the young generation. Everyone of us racing today has got the aspiration of becoming great. And many of the youngsters you see racing here today will build a career in motor racing, and many of them, we hope, will find their way into Europe, into America, into the Far East, and raise the profile of South Africa through motorsport. It's their passion.
So I'm Michael with Zaydenrit. This is Casey and Smith, and we're racing at the Extreme Festival today.
We are racing in the Formula 600 category. It's an open wheeler category with a Ford 600 engine in it that pulls 90 kilowatts.
So both of us are 15 years old, and we're racing against guys that are, over 18, 20, 30. So like we're the youngest, and then just goes up from there.
This guys have a lot of experience. They've been in this class for easy over 10 years. So when you're just going up here for your first year, going against people that's been here for 10 years, it's been intimidating. I've been racing this car for 2 years, and so far I've got a second position in the car. So what makes this car unique is it has a Ford 600 engine in it, and it pulls 90 kilowatts. It's not as much as a normal race car, but it weighs 530 kilograms, which makes it really light. In a straight line, it's really fast. The max speed we've gotten is 240 at East London. The best driver is by far me.
Well, he's always going to say that, but I'll disagree.
The rear-wheel drop into the next.
So I am Shaba Mashego, and I'm a racer in the Toyota Gazoo Racing Cup, the 8.6 League, because there's different ones. So we use pretty much road standard Toyota GR86 sports cars, and race around circuits around the country for a national championship. Extreme Festival, it's the premier racing motorsport event in South Africa. The category I race is the 8.6 League under the Toyota Gazoo Racing Cup. So this is a Toyota GR86, and as it says here, it is actually mostly standard. Like if you went and bought the car off of the showroom floor, it is 90% the same. Just have bigger brakes here. We have racing tires. They're called semi-slick tires. Have a look at the racing seat. And we have a roll cage. That's obviously to protect you in case of impact, rollovers, because motorsport is dangerous and things happen from time to time. We have a spoiler, or more technically, it's called a rear wing when it's functional. We even have aircon inside the car. The electric windows still work, the radio still works. So yeah, that's the car, and very, 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 very fun car to drive. I'm Shaba Mashego, and thank you so much, guys, for joining me and seeing Zwartkops and the Toyota Gazoo Racing team.